All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another round of Coffee and Questions. What's today's topic? Well, I noticed there's a clearance item out at Home Depot, and it's only going to be on sale until the item is totally gone. I'm going to change the picture. Let me show you. Let's get right to it. And you might want to get out there, at least before the weekend. I don't know how many of these are left in inventory. Here we go. Okay, here we are inside of Home Depot, and you can see $99 while supplies last in stock. 270 piece mechanics tool set. Now, maybe not for the the technician or the actual auto mechanic, but this is a damn good set for $99 if you are kind of like a DIYer like me. So you can see it's got all the sockets. It's got the 3 different kinds of ratchets. Here I opened up the drawer and it'll slide all the way out, so you got to be careful. But here's all your sockets lined up in here. It's got a molded tray. There's the bottom. Let's see if I can pull this out. There we go. Okay. You got all your hexes, more deep sockets. So it's a pretty decent set. I mean, really. I mean, for the $99, I thought, well, wow. I don't know. I asked the guy in there. He said, I don't know how many we have in stock, but when they're gone, yes, they're gone. Worth considering if you're looking for something like this or a gift. All right, folks, that's it. Well, it was a real short video, I know, but that's what I saw that was out there on clearance until, the supplies are gone. So I hope you click subscribe, drop me a comment, and keep following me, and give me a thumbs up. And I appreciate it, and I'll see you folks again soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.